Hey everyone, it's Rythone and welcome back to the Horizon server, or at least what will remain as the Horizon server for a little while. Um, I'm sorry about the lapse between these episodes. I had a bunch of content recorded while I adventured in the Promised Land, and all of it lagged out to the point where it was completely unwatchable. So, I have crafted myself some bedrock armor. I have been busy after I had to rebuild my backpack and all the stuff on me. I have gone about finally getting the genetics lab up and running. So, excuse me. If we grab our adjustable bag here, we're gonna go ahead and grab some chicken samples. Mostly because I need to process these. I also have a ton of eggs. My bag has a magnet mode type thing going on, so it sucks everything in, and when I approach the chickens, it kind of just sucks it all in. As you can see, there are a lot of overclockers here. I've kind of just been running everything, and I didn't feel like dealing with waiting as long as it takes. And I'm sure there's a way to automate the whole thing, but I'm just going to get a few of these cells right now. And then we should be able to move on to the next step. But really excited, we've got the custom pack all made. Maybe I will do a preview type video on it. I released the at least 4 of the members of my server so that they can preview it and let me know if there's any bugs. I released it at midnight on the 1st. So there's that. I think we're good here. I need to find a way to automate this. I bet you with just a simple hopper or applied energistics. Oh, we got 4 more. Fine. So then we're gonna go. We go ahead and we run these scales through the DNA analyzer. It gives us basic cells of chicken in this particular case. And I've got this, which is where I've been kind of processing everything. I'm going to go ahead and just throw some of these because we do need basic cells for other crafting. So we can grab that. We've got organic drops. Now the one thing is I'm not entirely sure what comes after we've isolated the genes. That's a basic gene. It's a basic gene. Aha! That's probably Featherfall right there. But I'm going to go ahead and equip ourselves. Let's see. Okay, I've got 2 of those bees. That's a basic. Ooh, that one's different. Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and first get rid of these cells. We're going to save them for later. There really isn't much here. It's okay. Then I'm going to decrypt these, and just to make sure I'm right. Yep. Okay, so those are basic genes. Let's go ahead and dump those. So F1. That one. Basic gene. Okay, so there's that. Let's go ahead and decrypt this one. No fall. No fall basic gene. That's why it looked different. Okay, so then we go and we take our gene for no fall. Select that, run it through. Bam, now we've got the gene. And I like to have a backup. Or 2. And of course they don't stack. That's fine. No fall. And we've got those. So now I got an anti-gene because I wasn't sure what I was doing. So I need climb. I don't need infinite milk. Be interesting though. Climb, no fall, and fly. And then what I want to do is find myself something that makes me immune to fire damage. But I know we need syringes, and I've got a filled vial of my blood that's been centrifuged. And that is where I get confused. So maybe... Can I take scrapings of myself? No. Well, let's see if we can grab a... There we go. A non-centrifuged. Is there anything I can do with this? No. I don't think we can extract it or split it. What about if I take the fly gene? Nope. That's a remover. It's a transmuter. I have no idea how to use that. It has no interface. Okay. Well, I haven't tried seeing if there's a crafting recipe. Let me see here. Would be a lot more useful, because I don't think there is. Yeah, that's just a DNA dictionary and an advanced dictionary. I don't think those actually tell us how to combine this stuff. But we are so close to getting it done. Let's see. I doubt it's a crafting recipe. Maybe... Well, I'm gonna need to centrifuge it either way. So we've got this 2 filled. What other... Are there any other machines that I don't have? Insulator. Aha! I bet you that is our problem. So that takes the advanced dictionary, couple pistons. Cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab this. We need 2 pistons, please. Thank you. And then we need lava. And I will take a single bucket. Thank you very much. What else does this need? Some iron, which I have on me, and then the advanced dictionary, which is why we needed some cells. Perfect. And a book. Just a single one. Throw it to the ground. Oh, now it's in the backpack. Now, I can use the hotkey for it, but I'm not 100% if I have made sure since installing again and updating my recording software if that is bound to anything. Don't believe it is, but just more cells. Excellent. Okay, so I should have enough, right? Yep. Bat, chicken, and a bat. That works. Okay, back to crafting. So, dictionary, cell. Unfortunately, you can't shift-click these ones in. And the advanced dictionary. Now I want to know if I can actually read this. Hang on. Don't think... No, it's just a crafting. Then, I should have everything. No? Pistons. This, the dictionary, and some iron. Apparently you can't craft it through any eye. That's alright. So, let's pick up this. There we go. And it's in my pack. So, can you take this? What do you do? Well, that's not useful at all. I thought... Let's see. Don't need a generator. Death Ender Chest. I might make it just to see. DNA Auto Splitter. Transmuter. Cloner, maybe? Why not? We don't have it, so we might as well make it. Alright. Oh, that was kind of a little laggy there. So I need a total of 8 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Water breather. I wanted to get that too. There we go. Okay, so then I'm going to need another book. And I've got some syringes for once I figure out what I'm doing. So next, I'm just going to throw this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Grab that and grab that and move it over. 1, 2. I hear a bat. Do I need to scrape you? 3 and 4 for our advanced dictionary. And then we need a insulated oh. Okay. Well, I guess I do need to run and scrape. Now my scraper still has some... Yes, good. Let's go find something in the wild. Maybe it's nighttime. That would be nice. Doesn't look like it, although almost. What do you get from villagers? I wonder if you get anything. Let's see. Because sure, morphing around is nice. But... Oh, excuse me. Let's just... Come on, you should spawn anytime now. How about down here? Hello? 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 Nothing in the backpack. Hop. Hop. Boing. Love these spring boots. Boing. Boing. Do, 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 do. Okay. What is that? There's a thingy. It's made of snow. Oh, that's right. He made a Christmas tree. Okay. Boing. Boing. Let's look for stuff to scrape. Oh, God. Ow. Well, actually, no, it didn't. Just looked like it hurt. Cotton. Was that a sheep? Aha! I think it is. I want the climb to see if I can't simulate a step assist. Come back. Hold still. Hold still. I'm only gonna kill you. Thank you. Okay, bye. Time to get home. Do I still have my... Nope. Maybe in the bag? Nope. That's right, I've died since then. Okay. Made a neat little thing. The Ender Porter. It transports you to spawn. That's it. Anywhere you are. As far as I can tell, multi-dimensional. What do you get from a pig? Other than pork chops. Ow. Punk. Come on. There we go. Let's get out of this giant hole. Hoop. Up. We're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Yeah. And up. And up. And up. And it. Whee! Okay. Mind the hole. Do. Over the trees. Here we go. There's a square hole. Haha. And go. Yeah. Here we go. Oh god. Okay, you still haven't grown. I don't know how to get that redwood to grow. It's been sitting forever. I don't know exactly how long, but it has been a while. Okay, so now that we've got all these scrapings, we can get up some cells. We really just need the one, as far as I can tell, to make an insulated cell, and we can handle the rest later. So, let's grab this out of the bag. That works. Just a few. Throw them all over the place. Ends up back in the bag anyways. There we go. Thank you. Take the cell, and let's go over to this insulator and see. Oh. God, that's slow. Okay. Grab me some clocks. And then just some redstone. Excellent. I'll take a stack. I don't need that much, but whatever. There we go. Just this. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Makes us a few stacks overclockers. Excellent. Grab that, switch it out. Now, this is definitely going to increase the power drain. But, man, you're slow. Fine. Have a stack. That is almost acceptable. I don't know if I'm going to need a lot more of this. And if I am, then that might not work. Okay, so what else do you need? You need an insulated helix next. So let's go ahead. You know what? I don't need you. And I don't need you. And don't need the bucket. Or the scraper right now. Just toss those aside. Okay. So now that that's back in the bag, let's just grab this basic gene helix. And we're going to insulate the helix. And that is still almost too slow for my taste. How's it doing on power? Not bad. Okay, fine. Just, oh, it can't take any more than a stack. Fine. Insulated helix, and I've got the dictionary. Whoa, there we go. Okay, so back to this. And can I shift click? No, because it involves the syringe. Okay, so like this. I think it was like this, this, and then this. Haha. The DNA cloner. Let's put this. 1, 2, 3, go. That's interesting. What about if I put a syringe and a fly? Okay. I know I have an extra fly. So, if it's not the gene, and you can't insulate that, do I have another scraping on me? Let me grab this. Grab a cell. What about if I insulate a cell? I'm really just kind of... Oh, there's an auto output upgrade. Neat. Making this up as I go along. Not 100% sure what I'm doing here. So I've got an insulated cell. Can I... like this? No. But apparently I can put an insulated cell in there. Let's That's a transmuter. I don't think you can... Oh, wait. Does that... Okay, fine. Let's see. One organic drop, which I know that I happen to have in this one. I think it was. Nope. Nope. Fine. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Let's see what this does. I might be wasting something. I don't know. Have a drop. Antigene. That's what I thought. Okay, fine. I'll just toss this back in here. Okay. So, I really wish I knew. And you know what? That image should have kind of told me that it was making the anti-gene. Are there any other machines I don't have that aren't just an auto? What's a heal crystal? Interesting. Remover, combiner. I do have a combiner, right? Yeah. Okay. And you... breeder. You need... what now? I honestly don't know. So you can combine the syringe. Excuse me again. Okay, insulated cell. I don't really know. There we go. Just kind of toss everything back in here. Let's see. So, what about if I just grab a helix and insulate that? Man, it's so slow. Oh, you're probably going to be slow too. I guess genetics, you wouldn't expect it to be super fast, but still. Uh-huh. Oh. Something. Hello. Hey. Apparently I made a spider. Okay, so the DNA cloner must be some sort of mob spawner. Oh, that's amusing. Okay. Well, now we know. So, insulated helix. I'm gonna keep that. We might need it again. And where's those scrapings? Because I think I'm gonna need another insulated cell to continue. Let's see. There we go. Self-bat. Whatever. Doesn't really matter at this point as far as I can tell. Come over and we're going to insulate it. I'm probably going to need to go get another syringe of my blood. So while that's cooking, let's do that. I think we've got one in here. Yep, good. Okay. There we go. Insulated gene. That's the anti-gene. You. Can you take a syringe? And where's the genes? Basic gene. Let's grab fly. Fly's the first one I want. Now, I don't think... No. Okay, so that doesn't work. Insulated cell doesn't work. Insulated helix doesn't work. Obviously, the syringe goes there. Okay. That doesn't do it. Can I double insulate something? No. What about... You're a splitter. Nope. Nope. I'll just try throwing things. Fly. Nope, you don't take those. None of you do. combiner remover, maybe? Nope, none of those. I'm at a loss, guys. I truly am. All these different genes. And it says completed. Okay. Well, let's see if this is it. Gonna see if it's that it needs more cells in the breeder. Because I think we may have just got it. I'm gonna leave that to cook for a second. Run over to this breeder and feed it a cell. You don't need cells. What is it that you need? 'Cause you're not taking the skin cells. You're not taking any of the helixes. I don't think it took organic drops. God. Let's see. How about this one? Will you take drops? No. Okay. What is it that you must have? You've got drops. You've got skin scales. I can talk, really. Stone sticks, syringes. Do I have to feed it a ton of syringes? Do I have an empty one on me? No. Okay. We'll hit this. Grab a syringe. Give it a little poke. Yeah. And then we'll get that spun up real quick. For science. There we go. And no. Okay. Well, it's obvious that it takes that. And you're a fly. Do you take it? Oh. Well, that may have just changed things some. Let's see. I wonder if it'll take any of them or if it does in fact have to be fly. No fall. Basic. We'll grab a basic gene. And that was my only other fly. Let's see. Basic gene. Oh, you will? Okay. Well then, that works out nicely. Let me grab some of these helixes for the basic genes. We can decrypt that one. Basic gene. Basic gene. Basic gene. Basic. Decrypt. Basic. Well, we'll see if we can't get at least one ability here. So we go like that. Basic. Thank you. You take this. I'll take that. Basic. Thank you. Here's the... Oh, that's encrypted. Basic gene. Basic gene. Thank you. Gotta take that out first. Cool. Well, this is gonna make life a little bit easier. Now that I know what I'm doing... Well, more than I did. Feed it the genes. Oh, hang on. And go. And go. I was feeding it just a little bit too fast. So that's going to take a while. I wonder, let me grab no fall. And see if maybe no fall takes less time. Because I'd like to get one with you guys here before we go. There's a no fall. Okay. Let's see. I will work on that. Just throw a no fall in. Yeah, that's 16. Okay, so that'll take a lot less time. But I've got a lot of skin cells. Skin scale. Why can't I say that? Let's get fly real quick. Where's the rest of my overclockers? We're just gonna overclock everything. Overclock all the things. You. Okay. You are completely overclocked. Okay, so we're getting cells. Got some organic drops. We'll just extract. Oh. Ha. It wasn't upgraded all the way. Thank you. That was fly. Basic gene. Cells, right. Basic gene. Basic gene. Basic gene. Basic gene. Something else. So what are those? Oh, upgrade that too, I guess so. Let's see. Fly. Okay, cool. Just process these real quick. Those overclockers really aren't that bad to make. It's a fly basic gene. Interesting. I'm gonna take fly out of it. You're already basic gene. Anything else that is encrypted still? No. Okay. And why didn't I process this one? And that is a basic gene. Okay. So let's actually request some more clocks. And I don't have the system taught how to make those. So fine, we'll just run back over here. We'll make up some clocks. Right. Clock. Why not? And I will take 2 stacks. Thank you. Let's go overclock everything. Okay, so you are overclocked. You are now overclocked. Oh, much better. And I think that was the only other encrypted one. Good. Let's overclock the splitter. Let's see how fast this goes now. There we go. Make sure to take the gene out first. We're going to take fly from that. Basic, all right. Basic gene, throw that. Oh, hey, that works too. So that ended up in my bag. Take that. Throw this in, take fly. And I think we actually may be getting close to having enough to complete that with the flies, because those seem to give 2 each. Basic gene. And a basic gene. Okay, so then let's go ahead and open up the bag, grab the basic gene. Okay, so I'm going to take you out. Now, where's the fly breeding? there. Oh, you're not overclocked. Have some overclockers. Okay. So, we are going to go ahead and throw in fly. And then fly. Fly. Basic gene. Whoa. Basic gene. Basic gene. Basic gene. Basic gene. Excellent. We are getting there, guys. Oh, that's a no-fall anyways. Oh. Uh-oh. Can you output more power? You just can't accept enough. Give me that. Let me power you up real quick. Okay. I'm one short. I should still have some scrape. Oh, yeah. Watch, this is going to give me fly, too. Cell. Extracted to the basic gene. Okay, cool. Then it's not completely a waste. Grab the basic gene. Move down to this one. Throw that in here. Thank you. Grab that. Move down to this one. And completed. Okay, so then does it go? I bet you it goes in the combiner. How about you have some overclocks? Syringe filled. So now do I stabby stab? No. Do I spin it again? Syringe filled, centrifuged, and then nausea. Don't feel so good. Okay. Ah! Look at that. Check it out, guys. We have flight. Woot! Awesome. Now, as far as I know, flight does not necessarily mean that I am immune to damage. Let's fly out here. This should be actually tall enough. All the way up and all the way down. Oh. Well, then I don't need to worry about the no-fall. We are good. So that I call a success. I'm Rython. This has been the Horizon server. Thank you for joining me, and I will catch you next time. Okay, bye!